So hello and welcome back, and today, as I promised, we're gonna make remove of the front end Ford Focus MK4, and this one is in ST line. So yeah, we have front bumper, lights, wings, hood, things like that. And first of all, what you want to start if you have anything underneath like this. Let me show you. So first you want to remove this from under tray. That's the first thing. Next up, you should take the wheels off. That's one most important thing, because you need to get the under tray of these. So yeah, let's start with the wheels and undercover. So once you take out the wheel, so we have here Torx 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of these, and we have these clips that you need to take out so you can get another thing that you should, but it's not 100% need, take these plastic covers, but it's possible to take the wing even without removing that. So yeah, but yeah, so I'm gonna take these out and then we continue with the rest of the things. So I did put the car a little bit high so I can access the under tray, because there is lots of bolts underneath. So yeah, so I will take those out and then we continue with the rest, so stay tuned. So once you take out all of that, all these trims and this underneath, so engine cover and this trim, we can start moving on. And probably I want to start with the headlights. So that's something that you need to take out, headlights. So you can take out the front bumper and then we can continue on. So we have here engine, motor, I mean the computer ECU, and yeah, red calipers, really nice. So let's continue with the headlights. So for the headlamp you have this screw, this plastic holder, and another screw over here. So that's basically 2 screws and a plastic holder, and that's basically that. So we're gonna take these out, unscrew these and this one, and yeah, you can already start with these as well if you need to take out the wing. And see here, there is these 2 screws that you will need to take out. Another one is over here, that's all for the wing. So there is lots of, and yeah, these 2, but these you can access after you take out. So after you take out the headlamp, it's kind of easier. So let's start with the headlamp. So you take out the screws, this clip up so you can access the headlamp, and it should be just like that. So after that you have this electricity over here that you need to click out. So, and basically that's that. So to take out this one, I don't know if you're gonna see, here is the holder on the sides. So a little bit of screwdriver and you take it out. So screws, and you clip it out. As you can see here, what's holding it is here. This you need to click basically here. So it's underneath, but yeah, basically that's about that for that lamp. And this is a really nice one, LED lights, stuff like that. And as you can see over here, now you have access to all kinds of stuff for the front bumper. And these screws, as I said before, these are here, so you can access the wing. So you finish down there, there is this holder the holder for the front bumper. One side, other side is the same. So this screw over here and these two big ones. So that's for the this and for the wing and for the front bumper. On top of that, you will have to take this screw here. So you can take this out, this one, and this here. So the bumper can come out, as you can see over here right now, because it's already loose. And so yeah, I will show you the rest of the screws and then we continue. So once you take out these ends, you take out the holder for the front bumper. As you can see, this one is left side, I believe. Yeah, so from the left side there is 3 tens and some clips. So, and then you have the bumper loose. You can always take this just the bumper, you don't need to take everything out. So you unscrew these two up and the bumper can come out because it's holding it on the clips. So basically the bumper is now loose on top side, but on the low side we have these tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I believe there is 5. So you need to take those out and then the bumper is kinda ready to be taken out. So I'm gonna take those out and then we continue the rest. So took out those tens underneath and then you can just take the bumper down. As you can see, everything is here. After that, so here is the electricity and this you need to take out just like this. So you clicked on this side and just open up like that, and then you need to remove this clip over here and this too as well. So you take it out and the bumper is out. So let's see. So here is the full front bumper. As you can see, all the clips, everything is here. And yeah, then we can continue with the rest. And the rest is just to take out these 2 tens. There is another one over here, it's kinda hidden. So that one you need to take out. That one over there. Already took these out. And that's basically that for yeah, we have here another one. Oh my god, I almost forgot that one. So that one, so I'm gonna take those out. Yeah, I do like this ST line and all the stuff. So I'm gonna take and then we show you with the rest of it. So basically, after you take out all the screws, it should be pretty much easy to take it out. Only thing is this clip over here that is holding it. So basically you need to just take that out, this plastic holder, because it's holding the trim. So yeah, I will take that out and then we finish off taking these out. So once you take that one out, best way, we have here a clip, so plastic clip. So just take it out like that, and you can see over here. So that's about that for the left wing. Same goes on the right side, but you can see here all the things that we do have. So yeah, other side same thing. So we need to take this clip out, and then it's just pulled on that side, so nothing overly too special. So you take that one out. Here is just to pull on the back side, and this plastic cover, it's not that hard to remove. And yeah, that continues. So these are done. We have again these two here. There is this one we took out already, and one is when you open the door, so need to open the door for that one. And it's basically that. For the hood, you should take always the water lines first, and if you have electricity, and this one seems don't have the one, and then it's just these 13s. So 13s, 2 over here, 2 on this side, and it's a 2-man job if you don't want to break the glass and you don't want to break the glass. So basically that's about it for the front bumper, wings, hood, and wheel liners on both sides. So yeah, I hope this helped. If you need to take the full front grill and stuff like that, as you can see over here, there is 4 screws that holding the front on this side, 4 on this side, and I believe this one you need to take as well. So these are maybe 15. So yeah, and these are as well holding this. These are the 10s, because this is in between this part. So yeah, that's basically that. So stay tuned for more. We're gonna make a few more videos on the rest. We're gonna take out the engine and stuff like that. For all the parts you would probably want to buy or you wanna see how to, message me, it's no problem. Shop is coming soon, so yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one.